Designing and installing controls can be cumbersome with all the additional project planning and extra wiring needed to make a system functional. Interact Pro overcomes these time and cost barriers by limiting the installation to just 5 simple steps: unbox, install, download, configure, and manage. With the Interact Pro system, the controls are embedded right into the lights, so no extra wiring is required. Installation is as simple as replacing the existing luminaire or fluorescent tube with the Interact Ready LED product. It takes less time to program on-site using the intuitive Interact Pro app and wireless IR-based commissioning process. The app also lets you easily create flexible lighting zones and sensor behaviors to meet user needs. The Interact Gateway is not just a system component, it's a smart toolkit. Carry it from one site to the next to download project information. Revolutionize record keeping and automate your paperwork by using the Interact Gateway to download project information and create installation reports with ease. With the Interact Pro, you can wrap up your projects quickly and move on to your next job. Reduce the cost of service. The Interact Pro portal monitors system health, status, and product information, which means fewer unnecessary trips to site. Save up to 80% on installation costs and up to 35% savings on commissioning costs. The Interact Pro dashboard saves you time with maintenance insights and alerts and a complete overview of all installed projects to reduce unnecessary trips back to the job site. Choose from a comprehensive offering of Interact Ready lamps, retrofit kits, and luminaires.